resolutions lahat napipirmahan sa'yo.
Yes po.
Then tinanong din yung paano yung articles of incorporation, being the corporate secretary, sabi mo, ang nagpe-prepare, sino?
Ano po yun?
Sino nagpe-prepare ng mga papel na pinapipirmahan sa'yo?
Si Attorney Medina po.
Attorney Medina. Tapos sabi mo kanina rin, narinig namin na tinatawagan ka sa opisina. Tapos para may papipirmahan sa'yo.
Opo, parang pag ready na po yung mga papers, parang ibibigay na lang po sa akin para po permahan.
Anong pangalan ng opisina?
Yung attorney lang po yung alam ko po.
Yan ba yung kasama mo dyan? Yung abogado mo kanina? From the same law office?
Iba po sila, Your Honor. Hindi po
Iba na ngayon?
Opo.
Sino nag-provide ulit sa kanila?
Po?
Sino nag-provide sa iyo na magdala ng abogado dito?
Ako po mismo nag-contact po sa kanila, Your Honor.
Ikaw na ngayon ang nag-contact sa kanila.
Opo.
Kanina, iba ang sabi mo.
Ay, sinabi ko po kanina ako po.
Yun naman sila ng Lucky South para samahan ka. Oh, sabi ng lawyer tawagin ng lawyer mo. Ginawa ko lahat kayo, puro sinungaling ang resource speaker namin. Tinanong ko sino nag-engage na services nila Yep, please identify yourself again, attorney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Attorney Giselle S. Velasco from NFC Miralles Law Office. NFC Miralles, Your Honor.
Yes. So, why are you here?
Your Honor, I was asked by our law office to assist Miss Baterna.
And
To this hearing, Your
to assist Miss Baterna.
Yes,
Who in your office told you to assist Miss Baterna?
our managing partner, Your Honor.
And who's your managing partner?
Attorney Nadine Faye Miralles, Your Honor.
Nadine C. Merales.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've heard also that again, in law office nyo, ang pang N?
NFC Miralles Law Office, Your Honor.
Is it true? Yung law firm nyo rin na nagpa-quash nung search warrant na in-issue for
Yes, Your Honor, we are the current counsel for LS99 at the proceedings, Your Honor, at San Fernando, Pampanga.
Nung nag-apply ng search warrant, pinakwash ba? Pinakwash yung warrant.
Let me clarify, Your Honor. Their law firm has submitted to the Honorable Court a motion to quash the search warrant that has been issued to us and that we have implemented. So that's still pending, Your Honor. The search warrant against Boga et al. Boga et al., the known boss of Lucky South 99. He is a Chinese national, Your Honors.
So, Poga et al. Is also your client.
As far as I know, Your Honor, as confirmed by our managing partner, Your Honor, it was Miss Baterna who, si Miss Baterna po ang nag-communicate sa office namin as the CorpSec of Lucky South 99 and siya din po yung nag-engage sa amin for our services. As representative po.
So, sino magbabayad sa inyo?
That, Your Honor, I am not privy to that engagement, Your Honor. Since that is Your Honor's.
So si
Mr. Chair, may I interject?
Wait.
Just one question in relation to what you said.
wait, Congressman, Ronaldin Baterna, you coordinated with them, ikaw nakipag-usap para to get their services. Yun ang sinabi ng abogado. So meaning you have all this authority, di ba? All the authority emanates from you dahil nga siya nagtatanggol, ang NFC ang nagtatanggol sa Lucky South 99. and you coordinated with them. Di ba? Kanina, binanggit mo, wala kang alam lahat. Hindi ikaw nakikipag-coordinate, hindi ka kumakausap sa abogado, but now they're telling us na ikaw ang nag-coordinate. So, dito, kikita na natin yung pagsisinungaling mo.
Mr. Chair.
Diba? So, ngayon, sino? Sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate sa NFC?
Totoo po yung mga sinasabi ko, Your Honor, yung wala po talaga akong alam about dun sa mga pinipirmahan ko. Pero yung sa kanila po, ako po talaga yung
Pero kanina sinabi mo, hindi ikaw eh. Di ba?
Mr. Chair. One lang.
Yes, wait. Let the chair finish first. So hindi mo sinabi kanina na ikaw nag-coordinate. But now sinasabi nila na ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. Di ba? So now you will agree with me that ikaw talaga nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. And I'm asking you right now, kung ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila, sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate ka sa abogado na ginagamit ng Lucky South? Sino?
Ako po.
Mr.
Alam mo, hindi mo sinasagot ng tama yung tanong ko. Ang tinatanong ko, sino nag-utos sa iyo para kausapin ang lawyer ng NFC para ipagtanggol kayo sa korte at samahan ka dito sa Kongreso? Sino nag-utos sa iyo?
Kasi po, nung yung
Sagutin mo muna ang tanong ko, sino? Kasi kanina sinasabi mo, wala kang alam, hindi mo alam na ikaw presidente, hindi mo alam na ikaw ang corporate secretary, hindi mo alam yung mga pinirmahan mo. You are telling all these lies na sinasabi mo, wala kang alam. Now suddenly, eto, ikaw, pumunta ka sa isang law firm. Ikaw nag-represent sa Lucky South 99. And telling them, hinahire ko kayo bilang kayo magtatanggol sa amin. Well, meron ka palang ganitong klaseng authority. Ngayon ang tanong, sino ang nagsabi sa iyo na kausapin ang law firm na NFC?
yung totoo po niyan, Your Honor, may tumawag po
Sino nga?
isang attorney po.
Sino? Anong pangalan?
Si Attorney Abby po tumawag.
Sino Tony Abe? Anong pangalan niya? Full name?
Abby lang po yung pagkakaalam kong name.
Kasama sa Lucky South 99.
And under po ng law nila, ng law firm. Tapos parang tumawag po siya para daw
Ang
po.
tatawag sa iyo ay yung sa law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa sarili nilang law firm. Pinag-aloloko mo kami dito.
Hindi po. Di ba po ako po yung corporate sec?
Okay?
Tapos tumawag po si Attorney Abby sa akin. Na
Sino
parang-
tumawag sa iyo? Sa attorney ng law firm.
Opo, attorney po ng law firm.
Para?
Tapos parang may inaano po siya na may pepermahan daw po ako na about nga daw po sa Lucky South.
Hindi, kanina Ronaldin Baterna, ang sabi mo, babalikan natin. Ang sabi mo kanina, okay, tinatanong kita, sino nag-coordinate sa lawyer? Sabi mo, hindi mo alam. Hindi ikaw. Sinanong namin ngayon yung lawyer mo. Ang sabi ng lawyer mo, nag-coordinate sa kanila para i-hire sila. Ikaw. Tinatanong kita kanina dahil wala kang alam sa lahat ng mga korporasyon na to. Umipirma ka lang. Tinatanong ko sa iyo, diba, inamin mo na ngayon, ikaw nagko-coordinate. Sino nga ang nagsabi sa iyo? Yung abogado mismo ng law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa kanila? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Yes po.
Ha?
Pero hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nakikipag-coordinate sa kanila na para tawagan po ako.
Mr. Chair, may wala akong tanong in relation. Baka makalimutan ko yung tanong ko eh.
Mr. Chair.
So, Congressman Abante, then Congressman Pacho. Panto.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I would like to ask the lawyer, ilang taon na po kayong lawyer ng Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Your Honor, our services were just engaged by Lucky South after po the raid.
After the
The
raid?
yes.
When was
Your
that?
Honor. This June or July po.
Kayo rin po ba ang abogado ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing?
Not that I know of, Your Honor.
Okay.
Congresswoman Pancho, please.
Nag-agree po ako kay Congressman na Abante, no? Parang ginagawa tayong tanga rito ng mga resource persons natin. Now, sige, kagatin natin yung ginagawa mo kaming tanga. kung talagang abogado nyo yan, magkano po binayad nyo dyan? Magkano po yung fee ninyo? May kakayahan ba kayong bayaran yung kanyang PF? Kasi ang sweldo nyo lang po is 23,000 eh.
Your Honor, gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, may kumontak po sa akin which is si Attorney Abby nga po. So, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung kausap niya. Ang sinabi niya lang, may need lang daw po akong permahan.
Kasi ang sabi niyo po kanina, kayo ang tumawag. So kung kayo po ang tumawag, kayo ang nag-seek ng service po niya. So pagka po kayo ang tumawag, ibig sabihin, may pambayad kayo doon sa kanyang PF. Di ba? Kasi yun ang pinipilit nyo sa amin kanina eh. Naniniwala kami na hindi naman po totoo eh. So binago nyo, binaliktad nyo.
Yan po yung totoo, Your Honor.
I think this person is really hiding something. And she thought na we are all stupid here, you know. So what is the pleasure of the body?
There is a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
For her?
Now, for the incorporators, for the four of them.
O sige, what's the
Now, realizing, Mr. Chair, that these four are mere employees at ginamit lamang sila out of my compassionate heart, I am withdrawing my motion for contempt. For the four. For the three, di pa kasama si Miss, kasama yun kasi corporate secretary siya eh. For the four. Oo. As out
wait,
of
wait.
my compassionate heart and your compassionate heart, Mr. Chair.
Yes. I'm thanking the good chair of the Committee on Human Rights for withdrawing that motion for the three personalities. But I think on the next on Miss Ronaldin Baterna, ang dami niyang pagsisinungaling eh, kanina pa eh. And she's been in the company since 2019 up to 2024, up to now. And this woman is really may alam siya eh, but withholding it for herself. Maybe kasi kilala rin niya si Cassandra. Ang dami niyang kilala doon sa... Well, anyway, I leave it to the body to decide on this.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Ako, please.
may I know the parliamentary status of the motions?
Well, the parliamentary status, there was a motion initially to cite in contempt. First, yung si Ronaldin, and then the three incorporators. Then he withdrew it just a while ago. So now the parliamentary status is that was already withdrawn. So if we will show compassion to Ronaldin Baterna, it's up to the body. So
Mr. Chairman.
we decide. Yes, Congressman
Mr.
Paduan.
Chairman, just this morning, I have a motion to contempt Ms. Baterna, but I hold it because we give her a chance now to answer truthfully. Well, in fact, I already explained what is contempt. Tinagalog pa natin. So, alam niya na. Alam niya na yung consequence ng pagsisinungaling sa hearing na to. So, with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Baterna in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C of our rules. The violation is refusal to answer questions from the members of this committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to cite Ronaldin Baterna under Section 11. And there was a second motion by Congressman Acop. Any objection? Hearing no objection, Ronaldin Paterna is hereby cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman,
So, the penalty. Congressman
I give
Paterna.
the privilege to Chairman
Congressman Acop,
If
please.
you will recognize Chairman Acop
Congressman.
with regards to the detention. Please.
Mr. Chair, may I move that the penalty given to Ms. Ronaldin being cited in contempt for 30 days to be confined doon po sa bago nating custodial center inaugurated at 1:30 this afternoon. So move, Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion to put the resource speaker in the premises of the House of Representatives for 30 days. Is there a second motion? Second motion. There's a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so hindi kami masaya. Akala nyo masaya kami sa ginagawa namin. Nahirapan po kami. Trabaho namin to and we have to do our job. Hindi kayo nakikikooperate. Please, tulungan po natin ang ating bansa.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
any motion to for suspension?
Mr. Chair, just
Congressman,
may I ask one question to
sige, go ahead, Congressman Abante.
Attorney Roque, please.
Yes, Mr.
On
Chair.
August 6, 2024, this committee received a letter from Ronaldo Cruz and Nila Cruz de Guzman. Are you aware of this? No, you're not.
No, Your Honor. I
Okay.
have not been furnished a copy.
Now, it says here that they are actually accusing the Whirlwind Corporation taking forcefully the adjacent lots. And it says right here, there is also no truth to the malicious allegations of Attorney Harry Roque, counsel of Whirlwind Corporation, when he referred to as Cruz siblings to have allegedly conceptualized this project. Now, will you please answer that, Mr.
Well, Your Honor, I do not recall saying that it is the Cruz siblings who conceptualized the project. What I mentioned is it is the Cruz that has been involved in this project from the very beginning because they own the land and they leased it to Whirlwind. Now, I do not think I will mention anything regarding the children because the contract was entered into between the old man and Whirlwind. Now, it is in turn the children, the registered owners of the property, that filed suit against Whirlwind. But I think my statement, if I remember correctly, is that it was Old Man Cruz that dealt with Whirlwind from the very beginning, from the time that the lease was entered into, as in fact, it is Old Man Cruz, Ruperto Cruz, who signed the contract of lease, only to find out that the registered owners were his children, including, I believe, Mr. Donato.
So, Mr. Chair, do you deny, therefore, the accusation of Ronaldo Cruz and Nila Cruz de Guzman?
Yes, Your Honor, my only dealings with the children is the fact that they are the adverse party in the ejectment case, Your Honor.
But you know for a fact, Attorney Roque, that the reason why Whirlwind Company bought the property is for them to put up a Pogo Hub.
I do not know that, Your Honor, because I only knew them in 2022 after the elections, long after the property had already been developed. No, it was already existing. Lucky South already had the contract, and as is apparent in all the discussions, I had no participation whatsoever with either Whirlwind or Lucky South until 2023, no, when I accompanied Ms. Ong to Pagcor.
Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, if my memory serves me right, during the last hearing, you said that you knew that Cassandra would be putting up a Pogo Hub. You knew that.
No, Your Honor. I met them already. The Pogo app was already up. It was already up long after it had been constructed, in fact. I met them in 2022, long after it's been up, Your Honor. In fact, on the 2023 was when they asked for assistance already because nadispalkuhan nga daw po sila.
In
So,
fact,
hindi ko pa po sila kakilala when they were building it.
ibig sabihin, may Pogo Hub na bago kayo naging abogado. Nila.
Opo, nandyan na po yan. Nandyan na po yan.
Hindi nasabi sa inyo na meron silang Pogo Hub?
Hindi po sa kanila yung Pogo Hub. Ang sinasabi
totoo.
nila is,
And
sila
the thing
po
is-
yung nagpapaupa.
Attorney,
Na ginagamit po sa
alam
Pogo.
natin na yung pong Lucky South 99 Corporation, kay Cassandra din. Di ba? Yung
Hindi-
Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation,
Hindi ko po alam na kay
kay
Cassandra.
Cassandra din.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam na sa kanya yan. Dahil ang pagkakakilala po ko sa kanya at pumirma nga po siya dun sa mga dokumento na hinain namin sa mga korte, siya ay taga Whirlwind.
Okay, Mr. Chair, thank you very much.
Maraming
Okay,
salamat, Mr. Chair.
maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, everybody. I think we no longer have members who want